Drivin Ivan here, 1973 MGB GT V8. So rare. Factory V8 engine, only 100 and such horsepower. I'll tell you more about it in a second. But 0 to 60 in maybe even under 7 seconds. That's screaming fast for 1973. I'm going to drive it. I'm going to tell you all about it. And smash that like button and subscribe, and let's go. Let's go. This is a buddy of mine. He's a crack mechanic too, and his dad is also involved in the MG club. Can you show us the engine real quick?
Yeah.
Can you pop it open? And it's super rare, right? Do you know how many were made?
2,591. So a little shy of 2,600.
There we go. Look at that. The factory V8. What a great looking car. Anything I need to know? It looks like it's got two air
SU carbs back there. So it's all aluminum lock, aluminum heads, and this engine is actually lighter than the 4-cylinder that was in a standard MGB.
Wow. Lighter, faster, better in every way, I suppose. All right, let me look at the interior here. Right-hand drive. Did they make any in left-hand drive for America? None?
They made about 10 test cars.
Wow.
Drive.
Wow. Well, I am so thrilled to be driving this finally. I've been bugging you for so long, right?
It's been a year or two.
All right, so let's go. Let's hop in and let's do this. I'm going to tell you what it's like to drive this wonderful 1973 MGB GT with a V8. If you're wondering if you can fit a motor for a Suzuki dirt bike back here, you can. But that's why you want your MGB GT. It's a shooting brake. It's a 2-door wagon, and you can store a whole bunch of stuff back there. All right, without further ado, here we go. Well, first impressions, wow. Softer than a normal car of today, certainly. But you know, I have a 67 MG Midget and a 66 Austin Healey Sprite, and wow, the steering is very precise on this. That wood steering wheel, it's similar to the wood steering wheel I have on my MG Midget, but let me tell you, this is a lot more polished and amazing feeling. And shifting with the left hand, I got used to it. I have a Jetta G26, but let me tell you, just really in second gear here, I guess, and wow. That is really cool. Really cool. I want to make sure that I'm in the right gear here. I'm just going to put it in fourth, but let's check the brakes. Wow. Brakes are even very good. This is a very mechanically sound car. You keep it in good shape, don't you?
I try to.
It's just, for an old car, I drove my friend's MGB, not GT, it's just a convertible, and he's had that car. He bought it new, I believe, and he put a new engine in it, but an upgraded engine, a built engine, and this is actually has that quickness that you just don't expect from a car of this era. And I think you said it's 135 to
stock. It was about 135. I think it's got a cam, it's got headers.
Wow.
It's probably in the neighborhood of 160 now, which 160 horsepower, probably close to 200 foot-pounds of torque.
I mean, you know, sometimes when I'm about to drive a car, I have expectations. And, you know, I'm driving on the right-hand side. I'm used to it by now, so the weirdness is gone for that. But this car is so much better than I was imagining it would be. You've got yourself a beautiful car. You said they built like only maybe 10 in left-hand drive, so this is the way you got to have this one. And what could be more British than a MGB GT right-hand drive on American roads, driving on the wrong side of the road for Britain, which I think is the right side of the road. Let's have a fight about that in the comments, shall we? But this is an amazing car. Show the interior a bit too. I mean, it's so cool.
You got a tiny little jump seat back there for your for your kids with no legs.
Yeah, it reminds me. I reviewed the Jensen GT, and that was just amazing. Wow, the shooting brake brakes are my favorite car shape. I have a Lotus Europa as well, that Jensen GT, check out that review, but this has been so amazing. Your dad must be so proud of you, active in the MG club now, and you're a fine mechanic. I mean, you just, the way you had to do a couple things to even get me seated in here with the seatbelt was great, and I cannot get over the speed of this thing. Wow. What a beautiful, beautiful car. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I got a twisty up here. Thank you so much for watching. Search any car in Drivin Ivan, especially my MGs. What a beautiful day to be driving this car, and what a beautiful car. Wow. Lots of grip, beautiful handling. Check this road out too. Wow. We have lovely roads here in Virginia, Great Falls, and check that out. Look at this. Are you scared? Are you scared?
Oh, God. I'm holding on.
I've been on the Nürburgring. Relax.
Here we go. Set it.
Smooth.
Dive in.
Yeah. Well, we're not doing so much diving in. I'm in the wrong gear too, but even in the wrong gear, there's a lot of torque here even still. That's amazing. Wow. Well, there you have it. And I want to thank you so much for watching. I am here in Great Falls with this beautiful MGB GT. Drivin Ivan.
Think about the Turner. What do I think about design? How I become a toy. You think I get more? Are you ready for a reform? Should I wait or turn the corner? I'll never tell. I'll never tell. I'll never tell. Wait, what does it all mean? I think I know by now from all I've seen. Sad but no one seems to care about anything. Think I'm talking about you. Well, dang, dang, dang. It's your life calling you. Can't you hear it ring? I'll never tell. I'll never tell.
2, 1.
Doug's going to help me paint